It's been just over a week into my cut, and I've already learned a massive tip that could benefit anyone who is already on a cut or who is about to start a cut. Check your macros before eating anything. Check the macros of anything you are about to eat. It doesn't matter what it is. Check how many calories it has, and how much protein it has, how many carbs it has, whatever else you are interested in. Check the macros before consuming it. This especially matters for calories and protein. I made a mistake around a week, literally like 2 days into my cut. My mom made a certain food called pani puri. I ate that because I thought, oh, it has chana in it, it has chickpeas in it, so it must have some protein, so let me eat it anyways. I still have around 1,200 calories left for the day. Let me eat it. I didn't realize that each pani puri actually has 30 to 50 calories in it. I didn't realize this until after I already ate. After I already ate 40 pani puris. I counted during when I was eating. I was like, okay, I'm gonna have to count the macros for this. I'm gonna have to count the calories for this. So I'm gonna need to make sure how many pani puris I actually eat. So I counted and I actually ate 40. I just ate up to 40. I was like, oh, that's a nice even number. Let me stop. I ate 40 pani puris. If you multiply 40 by 30 to 50, that is 1,200 to 2,000 calories. In that one meal, I consumed 1,200 to 2,000 calories. The reason the range for the pani puri is 30 to 50 is because the oil count. It doesn't really know how much oil is in it, so I just did a nice average number of 40. 40 times 40 is 1,600. I consumed 400 extra calories in that day. That was a mistake. I effectively wasted that day. If you don't check how many calories are in a certain food before you eat it, you could be consuming way too much, or you can even be consuming too little. The other day, like 2 days ago, my mom made something and to me, it just looked like it had a lot of calories. So while I was eating it, I was like, okay, this is probably like 300 to 500 calories. I was wrong. I calculated the calories after I ate it, and it was only like 200 to 250. I could have eaten way more that night if I would have known how many macros was in one serving of what she made. But I didn't. I didn't waste that day. I was just extra in a deficit, which is fine, but I would rather have felt full, for that day so I could recover better. It's all about doing your future self a favor. Being on a cut is already kind of hard. You're on a cut because you want to lose weight. And to lose weight, you have to be in a calorie deficit for X amount of days, for however many months. It's mistakes like these that waste days, that extend that time. It's mistakes like these that make your future self look back on and be like, why did I do that? It ruins your flow and could even mess with you mentally. After my future self in the pani puri example was like 20 minutes later, and I was like, why did I do that? Why did I not check how many calories, how many macros was in each pani puri before I ate it? I started stressing over it. It was for like 20 minutes I stressed over it, but then I realized mistakes like these happen. And they happen because I didn't know about it. I didn't know any better. Now I'm telling you better. Learn from these mistakes. Check the macros of anything before you consume it. You know what to do. Get up and get after it.